Alright, so next I'm going to show you how to put together a cornered piece. So I measure everything down to like maybe about the 16th of an inch if I have to, most commonly the 1/8. But if I ever say line me up on a corner, this is what I mean. So you see how like there's the top of the corner here, right? And then this gutter bends right inside of it. The corner, which is the part right here of the gutter, you want to hit the corner of the fascia board, okay? And then now I'll show you how I hang it. Then I'll show you how I assemble a corner. Then I'll go from there. Position my ladder kind of close because I want to be able to slope it as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spank this gutter into place with the corner. Push this in there really tight. Make sure it's all the way up on the top. All the way in. Okay. When I commit this gutter, I want to make sure that it's already sloped. Okay. Okay. Corners are a bit different. I cut my corners out by hand. Some guys use prefabricated pieces. I avoid that at all costs if I can. Okay? So okay. All right. So you can see the the corner's basically together already. I'm gonna force it back into place nice and tight. I'm gonna seal it. I'm gonna show you how I seal it. I go from there. Okay. So. All right, so